Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Rapid Switch Pro HD truck rack. The Pro HD is a height adjustable rack made out of anodized aluminum with a weight capacity of 800 pounds, and no drilling is required with its universal mounting system. To begin installation of the Pro HD, place the base rail onto the bed and locate the clamps that attach the base rail to the truck. Insert the clamp through the opening on the rail, making sure to find a solid contact point. With that in place, tighten the clamp with the supplied tool. Repeat these steps for the remaining clamps. With the rails installed, you're ready to install the uprights. Insert the upright into the holes on the top of the rail and twist it to lock it into place. The uprights have the ability to be installed in any of the 4 points along the base rail for multiple configuration options. The next step is to install the crossbar supports onto the uprights. You can choose from 4 settings ranging from 9.5 inches up to 26.5 inches. Insert the bolt into the support at your desired height setting and slide the cotter pin through the bolt on the other side. From the bottom, insert the small bolt with the washer up through the support and loosely thread on the square nut. Slide the 72-inch crossbar onto the square nut on each side, making sure it's positioned equally. Tighten down the bolt on each side of the crossbar with the supplied tool. Finally, install the Pro HD's sidebar. You may need a second person to help hold the bar while you attach one side. To secure it to the uprights, place the plastic bracket between the bar and the upright. Slide a square nut into the channel on the back of the bar and insert the hardware from behind. Then, tighten it down with a supplied tool. To adjust the height of the Pro HD with it installed, simply remove the cotter pin and slide the bolt out of place. You're now able to quickly change the height position of your crossbar. When you're done, reinstall the bolt and cotter pin. Rapid Switch also has a sturdy tie-down point available for the Pro HD, which installs in the same holes on the base rail as the uprights. Thank you for checking out our video on the Rapid Switch Pro HD. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.